guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my brow routine. So it's been a long time since I've done one, so I decided to do one to keep you guys updated. So if you guys want to see how I create my everyday brows, then please continue watching. But before I start, if you're new here, hi, my name is Joy. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related videos. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell so you are notified for all my uploads. So let's go ahead and carry on with my brow routine. Alright, so the first product that I use to create my everyday brows is by Hourglass, and it's basically their Arch Brow Sculpting Pencil. I use it in the color Dark Brunette, and I absolutely love this pencil. It glides on super easy, and you get the product, so it's a retractable type of brow pencil, and on the other end of this brow pencil is a soft spoolie brush, which is absolutely amazing. It combs out my brows and it just makes them look super natural, and I absolutely love this brow pencil. Okay, so the next product I use to create my everyday brow is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's their number 20 brush. It is a dual-ended brush, so on one end is the brush and on the other end is a spoolie brush. I absolutely love this brush for carving out my brows. It helps to clean them up, and you can also use this for eyeliner. I haven't used it for eyeliner yet, but I just absolutely love the way it works. Okay, so the next product is also by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's their Pro Pencil, and I use it in the color Base 2. So this is what I'm going to utilize to clean up and carve around my eyebrows. What's cool about this product, it's also an eye base. You can also use it as a concealer. Again, I'm going to use it to clean around my brows and give that nice clean finish look. Okay, so the last and final product that I use to create my everyday brows is, of course, from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is their Clear Brow Gel. I have been using this Clear Brow Gel for the longest time. I just love the way it just kind of allows my brow to stay in place. It grooms them, makes them look uniform, and they stay in place pretty much all day, and they don't look like they're super crispy, like they don't move at all. So that's the reason why I've been using this forever. I've tried others and I always go back to this one. So this is what I'm going to use to apply to my brows to keep them in place. Alright, so those are the products and tools that I'm going to be using. So let's go ahead and move on to the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I do is basically take my Hourglass Arch Brow Sculpting Pencil and utilize this spoolie and just comb up my hair. Alright, so the next thing I do is take my brow pencil. Again, it's in the color Dark Brunette, and I basically create a line all along my lower brow, if that makes any sense. So that way I can definitely see where I need to go with my product. It also helps to map out my brows and also helps to shape my eyebrows as well. So basically that's all I do is create that line underneath. Alright, so the next thing I do is take the spoolie part of my brow pencil and I comb down the hairs. Just like so. So I'm just going over it and creating that line, and then going over as well. Okay, so after defining the bottom and the top, my brows should look something like this, but I will go in and use the spoolie part of my brow pencil to comb it all out and make it look more natural than what it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I'm going to take the pencil and just kind of fill in on the inside, just so that way they're nice and defined and they look nice and full as well. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil, again in the color Base 2, and we're going to use that to clean up around my eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of create a line underneath, like so. I do like this product a lot because not only is it good for mapping and cleaning up around the brow, but it's also good for an eye base. So just like that. I'm also going to take the product and apply some on the top of my brows so I can go ahead and give them a really clean, crisp look. Okay, and I'm just going to create that line on the top as well, like that and like that. Just nice and crisp and clean. Okay, so after that step, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is the dual-ended brush in the number 20, and I'm going to take the brush side first, and I'm just going to clean up around my brows. I'm also going to go to the front here and kind of clean it up so it has that nice clean effect. And then of course I'm going to go underneath and clean that up, and I'm basically going to swipe my brush across, and that'll give me that nice crisp line underneath my eyebrow. I do take a little bit of that Pro Pencil Base 2 all over my lid, so that way it'll create a nice clean canvas before my eyeshadow. Alright, and so the next and final thing that I do to create my everyday brow is apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So I love this product. I've been using it for such a long time, like I mentioned, and basically it's just perfect as a topper. It allows my brows to stay in place. Alright, so that's pretty much all I do. It's super simple. This is my everyday brow routine, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys. And I wanted to mention the difference on each side. I mean, look at this before and look at this after. It's definitely fuller, and I just love the way it looks, and it just ties the look all in all. Alright, so that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found my video helpful. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you are notified for all of my uploads. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.